Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am explaining you the concepts of arguments and parameters in user-defined function. And I have written a program to illustrate the arguments and parameters in an user-defined function. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find area of an circle by illustrating, that means by passing the arguments and those have been accepted by the parameters. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Arguments and parameters. It is possible for an user-defined function to receive values at the time of being called. That means when a function is invoked, at that time it can receive the values. An argument is a value passed to the function during the function call. An argument is a value passed to the function during the function call, which is received in corresponding parameter defined in the function header. That means the argument which we will be passing at the time of calling a function, that value will be received in the corresponding parameter defined in the function header. Now we shall write a program to find area of a circle by the illustration of arguments and parameters in an user-defined function. So first we shall open the Python interpreter by selecting the programs, in that one Python and IDLE Python 3.12 64-bit. So this is an interpreter. I will create a new file. As you know, the procedure is Control N, which is a shortcut. So here first I will write the name of the program. So I will write as a comment hash Python program to illustrate Python program to illustrate the use of argument, and parameter, use of argument and parameter. So here I will be writing which program? To find the area of circle by using user-defined function. Press enter. So first I will write the definition. To find the area of a circle, that is a user-defined function, I will write diff space the function name as I will write area CIR, that means area of a circle. Open the bracket. We need to write the parameter. So here I will write the parameter as RAD. Close the bracket, write colon. This is the function header. Press enter. We can observe the indentation space there. It is having one indentation space. Now here you write the formula to calculate area of a circle and you display the output. So here we shall write area equal to, the formula is 3.142 into R, that is RAD radius into RAD radius. Press enter. So it will calculate the radius of a circle and that is stored in a variable area. Then print that result. Print, open the bracket, within a double quotes we'll write the area of circle equal to double quotes close, comma, that variable is area. Close the bracket. Press enter. Now you are still in the body of the function. Again press enter, press the backspace. Now you are outside the body of the function. Now here I will write the program which will be accepting a number, that is the radius value, and passes that by invoking the function. That means here I will write r equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter the radius value, space, after that single quotes close, bracket close, and bracket close. It is an input statement which is used for the purpose of reading the radius value of a circle. Press enter. So whatever you are going to enter, that will be stored in a variable r. Now we shall call the function area CIR. Open the bracket by passing r, close the bracket. Okay, after that press enter. So it will be calling this particular function. It calculates the area and displays. Okay, so here which is an argument and which is an parameter. So this is what a function call. So here you have written the function name, within the parenthesis you have written r. That r is the argument. That means the argument value is passed at the time of calling a function. So this is the statement of calling a function. You are passing r. So this r is nothing but the argument. Then at the definition, so this one is the definition header. At the definition header, whatever the variable you have written within a bracket after the function name, that is called as a parameter. That means the r which you are going to pass here, that is received as RAD. That means, for example, if you have passed the r value as 5, so that 5 will be assigned to a variable RAD. Okay, now we shall save the program and execute this particular program. So to save the program, so the shortcut key is Ctrl S. So I will write PARARG, that means to illustrate parameter and argument. Press enter. Now to run the program, press F5. Enter the radius value. For example, if I give the value as 3, then press enter. So it is displaying the area of circle is equal to 28.278. So how you got this value? I will explain this one. So from where the program execution will be starting? So here. So these are ignored because these are the comments. Then it will come here. This is the definition of the function. So this is not executed. Okay, because it is not called, it's just a definition. Then it will come to this point. This particular statement is executed. That means it will display this one. Enter the radius value which we have written within a single quotes. Then after that we have given the value as 3. So that is assigned to the variable r. Then we have written area CIR. That means it will be invoking this function, that is area CIR, by passing r value. So this r is the argument. So what is that value? 3. So that 3 has been passed. That means now it will call this function. Here that r value is copied into RAD. So RAD is what? It is a parameter. R is the argument and RAD is the parameter. That means the variable which we write at the time of calling a function is called as an argument, and the variable which we write at the function header is called as an parameter. Okay, so that r value is copied into RAD. Now it will execute this particular statement, that is the body of the function. So it will calculate area equal to 3.142 into RAD into RAD. That means 3.142 into r into r according to the value which I have given. So that value will be what? 28.278. So that is assigned to variable area. Then it will come to this statement, print the area of a circle equal to. That means it will be displaying this one, the area of a circle equal to, then afterwards we have written comma, that means it will display one space here, then after that area, so that means the calculated value which is stored in area, so that it will be displaying, that is 28.278. after that the program execution stops, right? So in this way we can write an user defined function which will be passing an argument, and that argument is received at the function header by using a parameter. So this is a program to illustrate the use of argument and parameter by finding the area of a circle by using user defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and through the world. Happy learning.